Hey guys, Tyler, Patrolapart, Navarapart and Redarc. We're doing a short video today to show you how we fit our DC Charger Brackets into the engine bay of a D23 or NP300 Navara. We've designed these brackets ourselves and we believe they're a great bit of kit. They either fit the Redarc or the Projecta charger, and we believe that this video will be of help to everyone who's installing one. Hope we can help you out someday along the way. Thanks for watching. Righto, let's get started then. This is a pretty basic install. So we've got two 10mm bolts right down here. Nuts, I should say. Pop them up. Then what we're going to do is just rotate that bracket up and out the way slightly. Keep those nuts, you'll need to reuse them. 12mm. There's a hidden bolt just down in here behind the brake lines near the ABS module, so you'll just need to pop him out. A little bit of a pain to get this one in and out, but best mounting solution we could find. Alrighty, it's that simple. I have a trick here that I'll show you. Is I like to put these bolts in and just start them. That way when you get the DC charger and go to chuck it on, you'll be able to get the last two bolts in a lot easier. So all it does is it slides in under the brake lines there that you'll see. Clunk onto the two studs there. What we do is we push this bracket back around and on top. Those two nuts are ready to go back on. We suggest leaving these loose until you get all three bolts in. That way you don't have any issues. Getting this one down the back, as I said, a bit tricky. Alrighty, I got those three started, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nip up this one first. We'll get back onto the 10mm. Nip up these two here. There's really one last piece to the bracket itself, and that's this brace, as you'll see in your kit. We need the slotted end. This will go towards the guard. You can actually see there's a gap just here. The bracket needs to slide in between the two materials. You slide that one on there. This one here, obviously the supplied bolts through there. You put the castellated nut on the bottom. That way it bites into the panel. Makes it a lot easier to do up and undo into the future. Very easy. 8mm. Obviously do this one up. Boom. Solid as a rock now. So as I said with my trick before, get your wiring down in there. What you can do is you can just slide the charger in, something like that. Now get your last two bolts in. 1, 2. So as I said before, this obviously we're using a Redarc here. It also suits the Projecta chargers. So a really solid mount. Like, that's not moving anywhere. We've managed to do it with our bonnet strut kit in the way as well, also available online. We'll be doing a video on that one soon. And yeah, really good bit of kit, so jump on board and have a look, and you can find more information on our website in the product link. Otherwise you'll see it in the tutorials section on our website also.